My name is Malik. So I'm recording this video as my fourth devlog series. So I'm gonna be sharing like the whole progress, whatever I have done so far. So I'm gonna be talk about all the details that I have done in my sprint three. So my sprint three is basically finishing this week. So I already have completed everything. So I'm gonna explain these things right now. So as first, I'm gonna be discussing about my feedback that I have got in my sprint two. Basically, the main feedback was the bugs in the game and whatever the features that needs to be prioritized in my game. So I already have changed all these changes in my game. Like I already have fixed all these bugs. I don't have any bugs currently right now. Only I have some like the player collision bugs that still I have in the game. So basically, I'm gonna be uh, trying to fix it this week as well. But it's like the game is completely working fine. This bug is left for only like once or twice in a gameplay. If you play the whole game, rarely you're gonna have it because I think that's because of the tile map collider. It's not the player collider issues. Yeah. So I already have made it the changes whatever I had received in this feedback like the UI side and the buttons. I already have changed it. So even the save system is working completely fine, and the gameplay UI already have changed it to the hearts and all that. So I'm gonna be explaining, even if you can see whatever I have done, like the UI, it's looking a bit better right now. As per my feedback, it was not really good in my previous sprints. I already have some more panels like the level complete panel and the levels panel, like selecting panels the game. So in my last video, I can like whenever the user click on this play button, it was taking directly user to the during to the gameplay. But right now, it is only taking if I click here, the yep, this not setting, loading, not loading, levels panel. Yep, this is the levels panel. This panel is activated right now. Levels panel. So the user right now I have five panels. These all panels are unlocked. Only level one is unlocked. Basically, which is the default unlock level number is my zero. So in this game, the level will starting from zero to four as a numeric, but it's from one to five, five levels in the game right now. So if I click on one, now it's taking to user to the level one. And I have already selected a force, the royalty free, the super fine time force. Yep, I already have got from a website. I'm gonna be adding their attribute in my game once it gets published. So I already have changed the level and the time left using this force as for the currency as well. I have the game resume panel. If I click again and I can uncheck this video to stop the audio, I can go on the home button. If I resume again, yeah, if I go again to the home screen, uh, let me show you one more thing. So here's my player. If I take my player to there and yeah, so I want to show you my level completion panel. I have shooted it. Yeah, so this one is my level completion panel that shows how many total I have killed. You see, I just now I have killed two enemies, so it's showing me two. So with the level count, I'm planning to add maybe like the free bonus, like multiply by 20 gold or 10 gold for each enemy kill at the end. So I'm thinking to add this in my maybe in the next in my next update. So if I go click home button, the next level will be loaded. If I back go on home button, click again. So my level 2 is right now, it's unlocked. If I play the level 2, the same way, all the 5 levels will be unlocked. And if I go into the settings button, I already have added the privacy policy here. If I click here, so it will take me to this privacy policy that I'm gonna be showing. I already have my privacy policy for the game because I need this policy to publish my game on the Google Play Store account. So I'm using the googlesites.com, which is basically free website to publish any of your article. So I'm using this as a for my privacy policy of the game. And from where this privacy policy I got, I use a privacy policy generator website where we just have to fill out some basic information about the game, like whatever the dependencies we are using, like the Firebase, Unity, Google Play services, and all that. And it's gonna generate this policy automatically by using our email address, like what is the demographic of your game, like what is the user audience, So these basic informations, and even after getting this, you can edit it and you can paste it here and publish the website by adding the link anywhere in your game. So this is just like an easy part of the game. It's not really difficult to add this privacy policy in the game. I already have read it and I already have made some changes in my before publishing it. So this was my privacy policy. If I click, sorry. So if I click here again, privacy reset game. If I use it call coins, reset it, it's set active to zero. Even the level is set active to zero as well. So if you click on the follow us, I already have added three buttons like the social media accounts. I have added only Discord, my own server, and if you click here, it will take you to join Malik Space. So that's my Malik Space. Right now, I'm only one member because this game is not published right now. As for the social media, I already have added the mini clip companies accounts. Once my game gets published and I have my own accounts, I can publish. I can paste my links here. So so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna be sharing one more thing about my Google Play console account because I already have made this build and I have submitted it to official release. So my version is currently 1.0.1. So because I have made changes to the UI, I have set I increased the UI to the version to 1. So maybe by after adding the more levels, I can update this level, update this UI. So on the Google Play console account, I already have submitted this game and which is in the review right now. So I'm just waiting for the from the to for from the Google Play console, like whatever the decision is, because I already have completed and submitted. One more thing I have to work on my sprint for is the game icon because right now I'm using the player sprite as an icon, which is not really good, but I'm gonna be making my own player the game icon using the Adobe Illustrator. So I have just a good experience with Adobe Illustrator. So I'm planning to design in my sprint 4, and because my mostly task in my sprint is 3 is almost completed. I have not any task left. I have only this is the task for week 4 is for as for the optimization of the game by like the optimizing my code and the gameplay. So, and I will be adding this my fourth devlog video link just below here. You can find this link here and you can play the video. So that's pretty much it. I'm currently in review. So hopefully if this gets published before Tuesday, so I'm going to be sharing the testing link in during the class time. Even if not, then maybe I will share the only build file with you so you can test during the game. So basically my UI is completed in the game. So that's pretty much it for this video, and hopefully I will be sharing more details for my Sprint 4 in the Tuesday's class. Thank you for watching the video.